everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the Pip Box. Now Pip Box is about £18 a month, but it's cruelty free and it just says be beautiful, be kind, and this is definitely cruelty free. So if you like cruelty free makeup and beauty products, well, you're in the best place, because this video is all about a cruelty-free unboxing. So yeah, so make sure you get yourself a nice warm drink, cup of coffee, and just have some fun with me. Unbox this. So yeah, we're gonna unbox it. And I like my nails today. Really nice, aren't they? Right, so I'm just gonna pause this video because this is gonna be a bit long to open. It takes a while, so we'll pause it. Pause the video. Right, so I've opened it up like that, and that's what it's like inside. You'll see it. I always open boxes up wrong, I know, but it had tape over it. So anyway, there is the information on this box. I don't want to see it just yet because I don't really want to know. It'll spoil the surprise. It will. Right. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Oh, let's go back in. Oh, it's dropped out. I've dropped it. Every video I have to drop something. Right, so that's dropped out. So we'll see what it is. Just be 1 second. Okay, I've got it. Right. So what it was the thing that dropped out is it's made by Cooper's, and it's an Awaken Orange and Grapefruit Atmosphere Mist. Oh, I quite like the sound of that. So that is quite good. I like the sound of that. I'll have a look at it in a minute when we've had a look at these. Oh, wow. Oh, that looks really good. It's the Benocos. It's the natural concealer. Sorry if you can hear a background noise. That is just my son. He's playing on the PlayStation and it's annoying. It is. But that is a concealer there. We'll have a look at it just in a minute. But we've got also a Humankind Wash Off Facial Cleanser, and I love this type of stuff. I do, really. I like a nice face cleanser. We will get there in a minute with the words today. I was going to say cleanser, but no. And oh, I got a text message on my phone. If you heard that little ping, is there somebody messaging me? So, we got a tea bag as well. Now, this is the green tea and it's multivitamin. Now, I also like these as well. I like green tea. I drink a lot of ginger tea. And what I like to do is I just like to grate a whole ginger and then just put warm water on it. It really is a really soothing drink. It's like, I drink it all the time. It's stress relief and all of that. But I could go on about how good ginger is, but this might not have ginger in it. It's just an apple, a blackcurrant one, but I also like the fruit teas as well. Really, a one for ginger and all healthy stuff, and onion. I like half an onion a day, and oh my gosh, all of that stuff I'm into. So that is what I'm into. Right. So then we've got all of these. Now then, I'll have a look at these just now because I've got all of some stuff in here. Oh, I see something that looks good. Oh, Work It Out. This is a massage oil, and I was talking about ginger. This has ginger in it, and I love the scent of ginger, so I'm hoping it's going to be really a gingery scent. It also has the black pepper in it, but it's for sore muscles, and this will be super handy for me because if you've read my Instagram, I go to the gym. I have my own home gym and I use it every single day for an hour a day, and I get really achy muscles. So that's going to be handy for me to use. Right, so then, oh, this looks like a candle. Is this one of the candles or something like that? Oh no, it's not a candle. It is the Fitbit. Now I have the Fitbit. So now I have the Fitbit. You like that? Right, so this is a natural deodorant, and it's I like these natural deodorants as well. They're far better than the canned ones. They work quickly and they seem to absorb the oil, the sweat, not oil, sweat, but it is oil really, but it's like body oil, isn't it? So yeah, they absorb it really quicker than a can will. So I prefer to use these, but I can't always seem to get the good ones in the shops somehow, so I have trouble finding them. But I do like them. And, oh wow, it has a really nice scent. It has like a minty scent, and it's like that. You see it? But oh, that is going to really work well. I can just almost feel, and I know that that's going to work well. It has like a really like lovely scent to it, and it's got the same sort of stuff in it that my old one of these used to have in it, and I know that it's going to really work well with sweat, so I am impressed with that. That's a good one, and I'll just put that to the side. Now we're going to just see if this really does smell like ginger, because I love the scent of ginger as well. And I can't really get into it. It's got one of those stoppers on it. It has a stopper? Yep. So, right. We just need to, I'll be 1 second. Gorgeous smell. Right, I am back and I've opened it up, and this really does have a nice scent of ginger. Now I've already put too much on, but it just is, that's amazing. I love it. It is super relaxing, is the scent of ginger. Oh wow, that is really nice. I suppose this would be ideal if you just rubbed it on your body before you went to bed, because this will help you sleep as well. Ginger is one that will help you sleep. It is really good, that sort of thing. I know lavender is, but also you can use ginger. Ginger is really good for helping you sleep and relax. Very relaxing is ginger, and I love that. Right, so now then this is going to smell like ginger probably because I got it on my hands, but we will test it. We will. It's supposed to be, this is a nice visage. This is supposed to be a rosehip oil one, and it's already open. So I'm going to just test it a little bit up my arm because I want to get the real scent of it. So I'll put it about there. It's not an overpowering scent. This could be because I'm still smelling that ginger, but it's not an overpowering scent. So it is like, oh, it's really like going to work into the body really nice. It's like, it's got good moisturization anyway. It has like a little subtle scent. It's not overpowering. It really is nice. I'm going to be using that for my facial cleanser. And when you put stuff on the face, you don't want it to be an overpowering scent at all. So I'm pleased that it's not an overpowering scent. It's a really subtle scent, and that is the best stuff for your face because it's natural. And it is rosehip oil, and rosehip oil is really good for your face too. It's good for your skin, is rosehip, and good for your insides as well. If you can actually drink a rosehip stuff, I also drink that as well, but rosehip is really good. Right, so we're going to move on now to this thing, to this, what is it, concealer? I'm sure I've had that before, but I like it anyway. I just like the look of it. And also you can pick out what skin colour you are. Well, not what skin colour you are. Like if you have, what is it? It used to be like purple, used to be Now I used to use this one. The green one gets rid of redness, I know that. But the purple one, no, it used to be that one as well I used to use. The yellow counteracts the purple. So if you have purple bags underneath your eyes, use the yellow one. Right, so I will just show you what I mean, if I can get my nail into it. See, it just, look at that, it's lightening that dark area up. Really, really good. Oh wow, that is a good concealer. I like that a lot. Bags, well, you've just disappeared. Bags has gone home. That is really, really good. Now then, if I have any, like, where would I have a red spot? I don't really have any troubles with red spot at the minute, but that one, there, you'll see how it covers that up perfectly. The green is one of your best friends if you have red. See, like so. I have a little bit of red there, but not much. I'm just going to finish off blending that in because that looks like it's really white. Anyway, so that is that. And we're just going to go on about these a little bit, because these are the bits of paper that you get in them, in that box. So it says 1 day entrance to a planet-based live. Admits one person on Saturday the 8th, Sunday the 9th of September, Saturday 10 AM till 6 PM, Sunday is 10 AM till 5 PM at the plantbaseddive.com. Oh wow, so I have one free ticket to it. I don't even know anything about it, but it is, you can check it out at www.plantbaseddive.com. So I am looking forward to that. It could be plant-based live, not plant-based dive. I think it's plantbasedlive.com. Go and check it out because I've never been to one of those at all. Right, okay, and next one is, next month theme is the Zen edit. Oh, I'm looking forward to that. I'm already pleased with this box this month. I like it a lot. We didn't have a look at this, did we? Right, so this is like an atmosphere room spray, and I've been doing that quite a lot lately. Where the atmosphere in my house sometimes, it can get a bit troublesome. So we need this. Oh, wow. Oranges, limes, the perfect scent. That is really a nice one. I would put that one in my bedroom. That's a nice scent for bedroom. And let's just see if I did get, oh, I said it was orange. Yeah, it is orange. And I got lime, but there is grapefruit in there and there's black pepper in there. So back to this. So this month, next month is the Zen edit, and with a focus on well-being, peacefulness and rest, and you will get 5 beauty treats plus extras for all subscribers. So they will give you some extra stuff next month. What does cruelty-free mean? A cruelty-free company is one that doesn't test its products ingredients on animals. However, the terms cruelty-free, not tested on animals, are not regulated, so it can be hard to tell. If you want to know if a company is 100% cruelty-free, the best thing to look at it as an independent research and organisation like the Leap and Bunny standard. This means the company has been independently audited to achieve cruelty-free status. It's also important to check that they don't sell it in countries where animal testing is required by law, like China. If a brand is sold in mainland China, it's not cruelty-free. So that's that. Yeah, you can get some cruelty-free stuff from China, but it has to be like the proper stuff, you know what I mean? Not really cheap stuff. I know that China does make some good beauty products, so it's not all bad, but you know, you have to be like, you have to be careful with it. That's what you have to be. So, feel great this summer. Everything you need to make delicious is a low-carb evening meal. Oh, this looks really nice. I like this sort of stuff. That, to me, looks gorgeous. See it? That one does as well. So, yeah, so, as they say, oh, it's a free recipe book. And it is RRP priced £20. And how it works is, you choose from 12 healthy recipes. We source them from award-winning farms. We deliver everything you need. You just cook it. Oh, so this is, I don't know what this is. There you go. Does it have a web page? No, it says to claim this discount, go to mindfulchef.com. That's the web page, yeah. And you just put the Pip Box in, or you can call them on 020 3950 0455. You can telephone them. And so the box is normally £48, but today it was just £18 for the Mindful Chef box. I think it's like a cooking box one. So, right, so this is going to go on a bit about what we got, the contents of this box. And the Humankind face cleanser, which is £7.95. That's it there. I'm sure that might be a full one. I think it is. This removes every last trace of makeup, so you don't need anything else, you just use that. So, and then we got this, which is the concealers. Now I liked them, they really are nice. That's lightened up that dark area really brilliantly. It's about one of the best concealers I've ever used. This is £7.95. So there we go. And then the Fitbit that I liked. This is £4 and you get it from thegreenpeople.co.uk. There's also a 20% off coupon code with that, and you just use Pip Box 20, so you'll get it for about £3.60 or something like that, if my maths is right. So that's quite good. And then you got this. Now this I'm so happy with it because it's ginger. I love ginger. This is a £4.49 and you get it from discoverybetter.co.uk. And so, and then we got this. Now then, this is £6. It's the Awakening Mist, and you get 30% off with code PIP30. So this is £6 and it's made by coopers.co.uk. So you just go to their webpage and you can order it. There we go. And then last but not least, we got the detox tea. This is the perfect cleansing super tea, and you get 10% off this with the code PIP10, and you just go to tpplusdrinks.com. So there it is. And also you can get the Vegan Life magazine digital download, the September edit, which is available on August the 23rd. And you just head to packetmags.com and go code deactivation, and you will be able to get the magazine, and the RRP price is £3.99. You just enter your email address. You do not already have an account, you will be asked to create one. Enter the code PIP0918. Once activated, the issue will automatically be added to your account. So I'm not sure if you have to pay £3.99, but there you go. You can have a look at that. And that is it there. See it? There, just there. And so yeah, so the plant-based life event ticket as well, we got that free, which is normally £12. I'm gonna have a look at that and see what it's really like, because I'm interested in these sort of things, like plants and stuff like that, healthy stuff. That's what I like. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.